This is an immigration emergency. Share this to everybody you know now. USCIS as of today is saying that if you come to the United States on any temporary visa, work visa, visitor visa, business visa, the one that required to go back home, you cannot overstay and get your green card here, leading up to citizenship. They're sending you back to your
All right, so viewers and subscribers, you see right now, nobody can enter US pana work, pana, a visiting visa or whatever visa require to go back to your country. Like you need to call Anglo business and go back. Or you feel me, I say get a visiting visa where you know, say, all right, I come visit my family, and then you decide, say, you don't go back. You just stay in the people in the country, and me, I go start out myself and get married. That you depend right now. You don't go back to the country. Right now, people, me always I bring that over here so I can tell you know what I want. You see me, I say, see there, like she now just find them information here. You feel me, I say, people, I will go put the video right there, so if you finish watching video for you to see them thing serious. Right now, you can't in our country on a visiting visa. So all the people that will come on a visiting visa, run off and expect they're supposed to go get married and then obtain their green card, lead up to their citizenship. That's a no-no. Done. So right now, you have to go back to your country. Best thing for you now right now, follow everybody that going back home right now and take your time and go back home and wait for your papers over there. So because we watch the video and we are going to hear talk about it. If you hear say, I hear Buba say, like crazy.
This is an immigration emergency. Share this to everybody you know now. USCIS as of today is saying that if you come to the United States on any temporary visa, work visa, visitor visa, business visa, the one that required to go back home, you cannot overstay and get your green card here, leading up to citizenship. They're sending you back to your home country to be processed. You're going to be doing the consular processing. It's like me having my son in Jamaica and I file for him while he remain in Jamaica, get the visa in Jamaica, then migrate to the United States. You know how the rule is that you come here on any category visa, you fall in love with a US citizen, so you can file your papers and get your green card while remaining in the US. Now, immigration is saying they're returning to the original. I don't know what the original law is. Because from a longer time, I know persons could have get married to a citizen if they overstay and get back in status. I went to the USCIS website on Instagram. They're saying we are returning to our original intent of the law to ensure alien navigate our national immigration system properly. From now on, an alien who come to the United States temporary and want a green card must return to their home country to apply, except in extraordinary circumstances. This policy allowed their immigration system to function right as the law intended to be. No loophole, no incentivizing. Oh my God. When an alien come from their home country, it reduced the need to find. My heart beat so fast. When aliens apply from their home country, it reduced the need to find and remove these aliens who decide to slip into the shadow and remain in the United States illegally after being denied residency. So they're saying if they send every immigrant back to their home country to do the consular processing, this reduce the burden upon them for look for who run off on their visa. Guys, today is May the 22nd, 2026. I looked on my timeline to see if anybody else is talking about this. I found nothing. The only reason why I believe I put it on the Instagram page and it's on their website. Guys, my belly bottom weak. I can't send this. My moderator can't send. I said, Chin, you hear nothing about this. When I went to their website, it is there. I don't know what's going to happen in regards to people paper who already filed and waiting for an interview. I don't know anything. Nobody's talking about it. And even if they do, they don't know anything either. It's just a waiting game. They say as of today, share this out, please. And let's see what happens.
All right, so the year will go on right there, so people. So basically right now, if we break it down further, if for the company entire country for the visa, me been talk about them thing are over. And a year she said she get this today, May 2020, no, May 22nd, 2026. So basically today she get that. in a them scenario that I say, yo, look at this to cheat, cause this a crazy cause we know some people over here, you know, we overstay for the visa and talk about them are gonna get married and all these things and them have to get them papers because they come through a proper channel. They come through the port. You feel me? I say they travel come over there on them visa, but they just overstay. And now they decide say, yo, them are get married and try to get them papers right now. People, do that can't work again. Long time me I tell you, say them thing they are cut out. You see me I say, so basically now, we people them we over there now, all right. Them say them are going to enforce this law now, kick up the law. Them say them are go back to the old law. Like basically them say, like them are try say, as soil law used to there before. But me not remember the law there, cause as far as me know from America days, though people all run off through, people used to come through the border. They never used to come to America upon a green card and all these things, and they used to get married and you know they used to get them papers. You feel me I say? So me don't know which all law them say them are come with. Probably the law was in power and them just mean they're going to enforce the law like what them are do with all these immigration laws. You feel me? I say them a dig up them, dust them off 5 books and bring them back into enforcement. You see me? I say people, so basically now we people them over there we're married now. We run off on them visa because a lot of people run off on them visa. Lot, whole heap. You see me? I say run off on them visa, never go back to them country. So now they're over there wait for them interview and all these things. So with these law coming into effect now, people, what you think them are going to do with these law that coming into power? Basically, that means say you're right now, you feel me? I say them are go what you have to go do is either then detain you or then decide say you watch you know, we are sending you back to your country. So watch you know, you can go back to your country, go back home, organize for your country and wait for your visa from over there, so and then you come back. So basically if you're married now and you run off for your visa and you know you have pending documents right now and they come in with this law now that they say nobody on their temporary, like on their visa, you feel me? I say the visiting visa and all these they can stay into the United States after they overstay on that visa and decide say yo watch out, we are gonna get married and then we're gonna get our papers. That can't work again. Meaning no. So basically now, when you see me put out a video a while ago on my channel too, where we tell you say yo right now you have to go back to your country. You get what me I say? Me tell you say if you come on a visiting visa, you feel me I say? And you know say yo right now, you tell them say, all right, I'm coming to visit. I'm coming to visit for 3 months or 2 months. You feel me I say? And then after 2 months, them not see you go back to your country. You feel me I say? And then after 2 months, you feel me I say? 1 more month after that, they say you get married. So basically you tell them say you watch they are come to visit. They have your file coming through the airport, say your document say you're coming to visit, and then they never see you go back to your country. But after that 3 months, then get a marriage certificate say you 3 months where you say you're supposed to return, you never return. Instead you get married and file for your paper. So that may a reputation. So you lie upon a document. So right now them can deny you your green card for all of that. You feel me? I say basically what they want you to do now, forward on your visa. Come on your visa now and I think they say all right. So for instance you come on your visa, you know you're straight then. You feel me? I say you have time in your book and all these things and you know something happy. You know you plan to visit. You plan to visit for that 3 months and then after you realize in space of like 2 months you decide say oh yeah your girl decides or your fiance say yo might as well just get married here you know and all these things. Well maybe you can go do some adjustment as far as contact USCIS or immigration and tell them the procedure that is about to go on. Well I came to visit but now I realize that I want to get married to my fiance and all and we just got to marry here and all these things. That's how you probably can do it the right way. And another thing, you can just cover the visa, then you get married and then you go back to your country and wait for your papers. You can travel back and forth still while the papers is processing, and that would even better for you because they see that you just come over here, you're married and you go back home. You feel me? I say you're in your country, I wait for your documents, and that will probably even grant you a 10-year. You feel me? I say people a 10 year. So these law where they see them a come a change up. They have plenty more for change up people. This is just to catch people in the act right now. You feel me? You then say, oh, right now, if we can get all of these people to go back home and that pending the paperwork, we can focus on the illegal immigrants then that hiding and all these things. You get what I say, people? Why crazy run one part with this immigration people and all of these things that you see coming out. I've been come over here and talking about all these things. See, they know everything pop up. The female say, me been telling a story about these things and all these things. We been a carry these type of information for you guys and all them something there. So, what you think? What do you think about it? So, for everybody right now that who illegal, that came on their visa from 1999 or 2005, 2002, 2000, all these things, 2010, and you run off and you know that you're married now and all these things and you put in for your paperwork. All right, you're married now. Let me tell you this. The best thing for you now, book a ticket and go to Jamaica and file for your papers down there and wait. You get what I say? Make them see say you don't at Jamaica a file before them catch up on you. Because right now, it don't make sense you go apply for your green card. Them not going to give it to you. You feel me? I say they change the law, they know. They might make things hard and things is really getting harder because that is craziness. Imagine you run off in a country by your visa. You feel me? I say and say, yo, you know go to your country. You know go back to your yard for around 20 years now. And now you run off and get married now. You decide say, yo, you have to file for your papers because you finally get the opportunity to get married. And then you here say, yo, right now you can't get a green card. They might deny you. Or else you have to go back to your country and sit over there and wait for the processing. Tell me now what you think about this, guys. Tell me what you think about this. They might try make a strict example in our country, people, because they don't want people to run off on them visa. You feel me? I say they want you just come and visit and go back to your yard. You feel me? I say if you find somebody over there now and you're married, well, you can't get married to that person, you know, they can't stop you from getting married. You get what I say? But the thing is, you have to go back to your country and wait for your papers to be processed. And then when you get that visa back in your country, then you can re-enter back into the United States and get a green card. You feel me, people? So, a lot of things are going on right now. And this thing you get serious, guys. But what we are going to do again? I'm going to stay tuned. Remember, Spotitdon TV, guys. Remember, we have all the things them over here. So, that's it. And you know, the reason why I bring her, because me find she said she wrote this, and this is very good information for a lot of people. You feel me? This information is good because still you hear where she said she never knows say them thing that they are going. That somebody sent her that video and them think they are going a long time. You feel me? I say so basically now she in America. You feel me? I say she say her admin said it to her. She in America. Basically she probably straight, but them probably know people that he straight. You see me? So them want them type of video supposed to go around to the people them who do not straight and can get these type of content and say, yo, right now, these are the situation right now in America right now. Back in the days, you could have come, run off by your visiting visa and say, all right, you're not going back because that's where plenty people go. Most of people, most of our family, like my family, them, and your family, them, like your mother, and your auntie, and your granny, them, and all these things. Back in the time, that's where most of them do. They get a one entry visa, some of them get an opportunity. Poop and go America and them never end back, they never come back to Jamaica. You feel me? I say they stay over there, they married, get them papers filed for them picking it, bring up them picking it, and then they come back to Jamaica. You feel me? I say people, they used to do that. So those are the things that they say they're about to cut out right now. You cannot no longer do these things again. So everybody over there right now, we all run off and wait for the visa. So much time I say in a video. You don't need to pack up on yourself and come back on a yard and wait for the documents. You don't see everybody go home. Go around home. Why you still wait? You don't see now work out. Come back to Jamaica, man. This is why I say wait for your documents. Wait till they get through, car. Boy, it thing's sticky. You see me, viewers? Anyway, big up on yourself for that Friday night. Viewers and subscribers. I never dare go post no video tonight, but since me get the video, I just say me put it out one time. You feel me? I say, because I find good information and we don't want to hold on upon them. So, all our good viewers, them on the big up with themselves, love alone. Stay focused and stay blessed. And just do it right. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell, my people. You see me? I say, one Spotitdon, man. Check out all right now, people, and check out all the links them in our description. Check them out one time. You get to me, I say, people, we have a YouTube course in the people. You see me, I do one-on-one course if you really want the one-on-one. You feel me, I say, how to grow your YouTube, we can do all of that. You feel me, I say, we have a guide over there, guys, how to survive immigration. You don't need to check out them guide there, you know. You feel me, I say, because somebody don't know, see that she never know all these things are going. So, when check out the guide we may have, I'll probably only, how much fee? Probably $10, $9 fee. Purchase the thing and see what I go on. Check out all the Amazon link. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. All of them link in our about section, guys. Check them out. I don't sleep on them. Where you sleeping? If you say, what is that we do? About